Yo, what's up guys? So I was watching this video and I wanted to respond to it because I don't think this is right at all. I was watching it for like 20 times on repeat and I was thinking about making this video and then I was like,
And the array is going to be deleted with delete, so that's safe.
Is that safe?
Yes,
Why?
because
How do you delete a heap allocated array?
with delete.
No.
delete.
Well, I have
Wait a minute, what do you mean by no? You can use a scalar delete on that if you wanted to. It'd be undefined behavior and your program would go fucking bananas, but what else is he supposed to say? You asked him if it's an array. Isn't it inferred that he's going to be using the vector delete with the two brackets? You're supposed to use the vector, but are you guys even talking about the differences between those two deletes in this? Because I feel like the caller just is agreeing with you just because he's going along with the conversation. Because nobody says, oh, I'm supposed to use a vector delete. Oh, I'm supposed to use delete left and right bracket. If I ever talk to, they just say, oh, we just delete. Delete. Maybe you should have asked them to like write down the code so you can like see it or something. It's like, how do you have sex? Oh, with your penis. No, penis insert. Like nobody says that. It's the same shit. Like what the fuck? Oh, how do you have sex safely? You have to use a condom. No, you have to use a latex condom. The one, how do you put on a condom? You put it on. No, you pinch the reservoir tip first. Like, dude, nobody says this shit. How do you take your pants off? You take them off. No, you unbutton them first. How do you save a file? You just save the file. No, you click save as. Like, like there's a scalar and a vector delete, but he's just talking to you. Like, I don't understand why you would do that. Like, I feel like when you say no right here, you should have said yes, but do you use a vector delete, which includes the brackets, to coincide with the same type of allocation with the new? Because if you're allocating with new with an array, you have to use the bracket notation. I don't think I would have never said no to somebody for saying delete, because he literally said delete, but nobody says vector delete, scalar delete with brackets, array delete. Everybody just says if you allocate with new, you delete. Like, just how we speak. So when you give the caller the benefit of the doubt more, it increases their learning potential and understanding of the concepts better. But I don't know if I'm explaining this video good at all or not, but I keep rewatching it and I'm like, I don't know. I just feel like something's wrong with it, but just wanted to share. Thanks for watching. If anybody's still here, have a great day, everybody.